Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn about the advanced DAX function, parallel period function. So this parallel period function returns a table that contains a column of dates that represent a period parallel to the dates in the specified dates column. In the current context, with the dates shifted a number of intervals either forward in time or back in time. So let us see this with a practical example. Go to Get Data, Excel workbook. Load the data, click open. The data will be loaded shortly. Select the tables, calendar table and sales data table. Click on load. See, the data is being loaded. Let us go to the model view and see if the connection is made. Let us first make the relation between these two tables. Sales date is common in both these tables. Let us make this. So we have two tables, calendar table and sales data table. Here we have combined sales value. So from this, let us create total sales value. Right click, create new measure. Total sales equal to, call the function sum of sales, combined sales value. Close the bracket, click enter. So change its value to currency. Sorry. Here also change the combined sales value to currency. Now let us create another measure for parallel period where we can see the sales for the previous year. Right click, create new measure. Parallel period equal to calculate calculate so we want to calculate total sales. Sorry, calculate. Where is my measure? Here is my measure. Calculate total sales, comma, we are filtering the data, parallel period, parallel period. Here we have three fields, three parameters: dates, number of intervals and interval. So here date indicates a column that contains dates and number of intervals indicate an integer that specifies the number of intervals to add to or subtract from the dates, and here interval, third parameter, the interval by which you want to shift the dates. The value of interval can be one of the following: year, quarter or month. So let us use from calendar sales date, comma, here If we want to previous year sales, we can use -1. Here we can use in interval month, year or quarter. I am using year. Close the bracket, click enter. Now we have created the measure. Now let us create a table. Select the table view. Here from say calendar, select sales date. Remove all these fields except year. And from sales data, select the combined sales value and select the measure we have created parallel period. So we are getting the previous year sales. See, if you want, let me change this type to currency. So we are getting the result correctly. For example, if I have used 1, let us see what happens. So next year sales, it is getting the results of next year sales. So let us use -2. We will get 2 years, previous 2 years sales. So you can see the result. For 2017, we are getting 2015 sales. 2018, we are getting 2016 sales, like that, since we have used -2. So it returns, this parallel period function returns a table containing a single column of date values. So the parallel period function is similar to the date add function, except that parallel period function always returns full periods at the given granularity level instead of the partial periods that date add returns. For example, in date add you have used, so you have made a selection from March 10th to April 10th of the same year, and you want to shift that selection forward by 1 month by using parallel period function, then it will returns, since you have used from March 10th to April 10th, it will returns next year. So sorry, if you have used March 10 to March 21, it will return in next year March, April 1st to April 31st results. However, if you use date add function instead, it will returns, if you have taken March 10 to March 25, it will returns as April 10 to April 25 results only. So that is the main difference between these two functions. Let us see what happens if you use. So we will get the same results using both date add and parallel period function. So this is about the parallel period function in DAX. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.